seriously. So first of all, we are lastly start chapter number 6, internet applications and emerging technology. Firstly, we are learning the first topic that we are learning about the e-commerce. What is the meaning of e-commerce? E-commerce means electronic commerce, or e-commerce, you say that like a word whenever you are doing online, that word comes in front of that, that is an e-word. So it is for the buying and selling the products. Whenever there are the such type of service providers are there, buyers are there, then e-commerce will be applied on that time. Even online payment also available whenever you are using the e-commerce. Three parties involved in the e-commerce: buyers or consumers, sellers and merchants, and the producers. We also discussed the definition of three of this. Next, we learn about the categories of the e-commerce. First, B2B. Second, B2C, business to customer. Third, customer to customer, C2C. And last, customer to business. We also discussed all the things about this. Now we are go ahead with the next topic. Now, every student know what is the meaning of e-commerce, where you will be use the e-commerce, why you are using the e-commerce. So I want to ask you such type of questions to you. You have to tell me what is the advantages of e-commerce. What do you think? If you are using e-commerce, what advantages you get? Expecting answer from your side. Which advantages you can get whenever you are using e-commerce? अगर आप online buying करते हो, selling करते हो, तो आपको क्या advantages होंगे? Tell me.
I mean, this type of pandemic, ma'am, it would be very useful, ma'am, because there would be non-touch delivery, and we should not go in the public places to buy something. And
Okay.
just on one click, we can order anything.
Anything else? Anyone else?
Ma'am, we can sell things anywhere and get money for new one.
Okay. Next. Everyone are using e-commerce. So I'm thinking that everyone knew that what is the advantages of e-commerce. सबको पता ही है क्या advantages है e-commerce के. Tell me. Have you go physically on the shop whenever you are using e-commerce? क्या physically जाते हो अगर आप e-commerce का use कर रहे हो?
No, ma'am.
No. So that is also one advantages. It will, you can access any time e-commerce 24/7 hours. कभी भी रात के 12 बजे भी अगर आपको कुछ शॉपिंग करनी हो तो आप कर सकते हो. But whenever you are doing shopping physically, it's not availability. That is a particular fixing time whenever you are doing physical shopping. But whenever you are doing e-commerce, it's not time limitation for the shopping. The advantages of the e-commerce. So I'm going to read it one by one. First, you can buy or sell the products 24/7 days of the week. As you are doing, anytime you can do that. It is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, you are unable to doing online shopping. Right? Third, provides the user with the more options to choose from compared or to physical stores. जैसे कि अगर आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर रहे हो तो आप कंपैरिजन कर सकते हो. जैसे if you are want to buy any chair, You can compare the company, the Cello, Nyasa, everything. So these are called, this is a one benefit that you can compare the price also. You can compare the companies also. It also provides a quicker delivery of products. Now, next, customers can compare and select the cheaper and the better option. Definitely, अगर आप comparison कर रहे हो तो जो cheaper होगा उसको ही select करोगे आप. ऐसा नहीं जिसकी price ज्यादा होगी चलो इसको ही buy करते. Next, comparison engine that help compare the and recommended products. Companies can get higher profits since the overhead cost of maintenance and transactions are reduced. Whenever there is an online buying and selling is there now, so sorry, companies can get high profits whenever they are doing the online selling. So these are the advantages of e-commerce. Now, from your side, I'm expecting what is the disadvantages of e-commerce?
Ma'am, there is no privacy.
Huh?
Ma'am, privacy issues.
Privacy issue. Yes, sometimes that will be happen.
Ma'am, some products
And
are
ma'am,
not
sometimes
returnable or replaceable.
Yes, right.
And ma'am,
Next.
also sometimes it is spam or like fraud.
Right thing.
Ma'am, waiting for a product to be delivered.
Okay. If you want it right now, not able to take it right now.
Higher cost.
Okay. Next.
Possibility of tried and tested products.
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
Ma'am, no possibility of tried and tested products.
Okay. First of all, that is a no time limitation. That is an okay thing. But whenever you can buy a product, you cannot touch it. So something happen. That is a whenever you see the image and whenever original product with you, both are the difference. Sometimes it will be happen, right? You cannot physical touch, so you cannot see the product. What is the original product? Even sometimes, only sometimes, not every time, it will be costly compared to the physical. Next, you cannot be trust the online store because even with me also that will be happen, that it's a fraud thing and I'm paying it and it will be and it is fraud. So let's read the disadvantages of e-commerce. Customer may not be able to trust an online store that makes it difficult for the user to switch from the physical store to an online store. What happened in the nowadays, we can trust the online shoppings, but like our mother, the grandfather, they are not able to trust the online things. They always tell us it's a fraud thing, or you can see in the image that product will not came. That will be happen. So that is a biggest disadvantage of e-commerce. It may not be possible to completely ensure the security or privacy of online transactions. Sometimes what will be happen whenever you are doing online payment, due to some error or due to some fraudness, your payment will be go to the another account and your payment is show that not done. Customer cannot touch or feel products before buying them, as I told you. Areas with poor or no internet connectivity cannot make use of this medium effectively. अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट ही नहीं होगा तो आप ऑनलाइन बाइंग सेलिंग ई-कॉमर्स का यूज ही नहीं कर सकते. You can see in the villages all the person don't have the smartphone or don't have an internet connectivity. So on that area, they are not able to use the e-commerce. So this is also a disadvantage of e-commerce. In the exam, sometimes it will be hard. So you have to do the task for the learning by doing. Find out the more examples of different e-commerce website for each of the categories described above. आपको e-commerce की जितनी भी वेबसाइट पता हो उसका लिस्ट आउट एक बनाना है आपको इन द नोटबुक. Now, next topic, online modes of payment. Anyone can tell me which modes you are using? आप कौन से modes use करते हो online payment करने के लिए?
Ma'am, net banking.
Ma'am, cash on delivery.
Cash on delivery, that is okay. Next.
Google Pay, Phone Pay, UPI.
Yes.
On Paytm.
Right. Paytm, then
Ma'am, debit cards, credit cards.
credit card, debit card, yes. Right. So everyone knows how can you do the online payment whenever you are using the e-commerce. So first of all, online payment is nothing but huh? Sorry, what? Anyone have a doubt? Okay. So for first definition, you have to be remember what is the payment gateway provider. Whenever you pay to someone, for example, you are using a Paytm. So Paytm is called the payment gateway provider. It will be provide the service for the payment. So it is called the payment gateway provider. Sorry. Here is the example is also given, include CCA venue and tech process. That is older one. You can use the new one also. Now, first mode of payment, electronic mode, credit card and debit card. Anyone can tell me what is the difference between the credit and debit?
What ma'am difference
Anyone
between
सबको पता ही है क्रेडिट डेबिट वर्ड आपने सुना ही है लेकिन दोनों में डिफरेंस है. Your parent maybe have a credit or debit card.
I know the difference between them.
Yes, can you please repeat it?
Credit means the money credits in our account and debit means
Debit means
Ma'am, in debit card, we have already had money in the account from which it is being paid.
okay. What about credit? Okay, so let me tell you both are the
spend money?
listen to me. Both are the cards same. There sometimes there you are confused with the credit and the debit. I am also confused, both of them. But return that debit card, so I will confirm that this is the debit card. What is the difference between both? Whenever you are doing online payment and you don't have enough money, अगर आपके पास enough money है आपके बैंक अकाउंट में तो आप क्रेडिट कार्ड का यूज कर सकते हो. क्रेडिट क्या होगा? आपकी बैंक जो होगी वो सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेगी आपकी तरफ से देगी. Then it will be give the limited time to you. For example, you are buying one of the thing that is worth 1,500 and you are using a credit card, so your bank will be pay 1,500 from your side. वो आपके अकाउंट में से कट नहीं होगा, वो बैंक अपनी तरफ से देगी. लिमिटेड आपको 15 डेज देगी. 15 डेज अंदर आपको वापिस से 1,500 आपके अकाउंट में डाल देने और वहां से आप हो जाएंगे. दिस इज द क्रेडिट कार्ड. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग of debit card? Already your bank account and your bank give you card Using a credit card, you can
Ma'am,
directly
your voice
cut
is
out the
cracking.
money from your card. So this is the difference between credit and the debit card. Maybe ask your parent which card they have availability. Sometimes they have a both card or sometimes they have a one card from this. तो आप पूछ सकते हो कि क्रेडिट कार्ड है, डेबिट कार्ड है, देख सकते हो कि उनके पास क्या है. Maybe that will be a my network issue, but I'm just doing hurry because I have just low only 2% battery. So please cooperate with me because my mobile will be switched off whenever I'm not taking it. Third is the net banking. What is the net banking? For the net banking, you don't need any card. You don't need any debit card, any credit card. You can directly, you have just a code given by the bank and you have to just enter it and the money will be cut from your account. That is called the net banking. What is the e-money? You don't need any code. You don't need any card, debit card or debit card. For nowadays, that is a famous Paytm, PayPal, Bharat, Bheem. These are the Google Pay. Are the e-money example. Using of that, you can directly cut money from your account, or you have a credit with the sum of the money. You can do directly cut out from it. That is the e-money. Now, advantages of e-payment. As everyone knows, you don't have to go for the payment. You have a credit debit, so you can be directly from the cutout. अगर आपके physically आपके पास money नहीं है, so you can be directly cut from the bank. So first, what is the e-payment advantage? First, e-payment is very convenient. Individual can pay bills or make purchases anytime from any corner of the world. जैसे हम ई कॉमर्स को कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, वैसे ही हम ई पेमेंट को भी कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. If you are not in India and you want to use e payment, you can use. It saves the time. Once the initial set of payment is completed, the individual can pay the bills in a second. You know that. You know that how much you want to pay, you can pay in a second using of the different modes. The cost of e-payment is nominal compared to the other type of payment, such as check or demand draft. Whenever you are doing a payment with the check, now what will be happen? You have to firstly go through the bank. You have to stand in the line. You have to wait for your turn, and you will be get your money. But whenever you are using e-payment, you don't have to do anything. Just do the payment directly. Last advantage, e-payment is becoming more and more secure than the old traditional ways. अभी ज्यादा सिक्योर हो गया है पहले से. पहले स्टार्टिंग में जब ई पेमेंट आया था तो उसमें सिक्योरिटी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, क्रैक हो जाता था, आपका बैंक अकाउंट से पैसे कट हो जाते थे. बट nowadays it's a very secured e-payment. Every payment gateway has its own fraud protection system to protect customers. An individual person's financial data is encrypted before the sending it electronically. It can be made more secure by creating the strong password and initial suitable anti-malware software. So whenever you are start your payment now, whenever you start your application or you are using the debit credit card, it will be asked for the password. If your password is incorrect, it will not allow to you to do payment. So this is the biggest advantage of e-payment. Now next topic is blogging. For that we have to also do the practical. So we will be learn that on the next class because I need fully 30 minutes for that. Understood everyone? Now I want to ask you, if you have a query in the e-payment or e-commerce, students, do you have a query in the e-payment?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what can be the difference between e-money and net banking?
E-money means what? Do you know what is the meaning of, what is the use of Paytm?
We are having Paytm. In that we can scan a QR code, and also it is same like
Yes.
entering your ID or PIN.
Right. So in that, you know that what should you have to, that is also connected directly. So sometimes for some application, it is connected with your bank account, and sometimes it is credited with your account. Paytm is not connected with your bank account. Remember, only such type of Paytm are connected. But what happened in the net banking, whenever you open your bank account, you are going to the your bank and you tell them to open the bank account, they will be provide a one password and user ID to you. That is open in your browser. Whenever you enter that username and password, there is a whole statement, whole the net banking, all the advantages, disadvantages of banking will be available directly in your mobile phone or the laptop using of that net banking. जैसे कि मैं example दे रही हूँ आपको IDBI. IDBI is a one of the bank. Whenever you search the IDBI net banking, na, it will be show. It will be ask you first about the username, password, and you will be access all the things of your bank account. जैसे अगर पहले क्या होता था, नेट बैंकिंग नहीं था तो स्टेटमेंट के लिए हमें बैंक में जाना पड़ता था कि हमने कितना विड्रॉ किया, कितना क्रेडिट किया. बट अगर आप नेट बैंकिंग का यूज करते हो तो आपको सब कुछ वहां पे मोबाइल फोन में ही अवेलेबल मिलता है. दैट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ नेट बैंकिंग. Understood what is the difference between both?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone, any other person have a doubt? Tilak, your camera is off, but I can see your face as you are putting your photo. Very good. You left.